All right, let's talk about the job market. It is seriously competitive out there, right? So, how do you actually get noticed? We're going to dive into what it really takes to build that professional edge that cuts right through all the noise. Let's get into it.
You know, hunting for a job today is a completely different beast. It's not just about what you know anymore. It's about finding your way through this complex digital world of online applications, automated scanners, and just fierce competition. It can be pretty overwhelming.
So, let's start with a really important question. When your application gets scanned, first by a computer and then maybe by a recruiter for 6 seconds, is it telling the right story? Does it actually communicate what makes you valuable and what your skills are? You only get one shot to make that first impression.
Yeah, before a person ever even lays eyes on your CV, it has to get past something called the Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. Just think of these as the digital gatekeepers. They're programmed to scan for specific keywords and qualifications, and if your CV isn't optimized for them, it could get tossed out before you even had a chance. So these are the big hurdles we're all facing. Getting automatically rejected by the ATS bots, trying to somehow stand out in a crowd of hundreds of other people, and needing to tell a consistent story across all your different application materials. It's a lot to manage on your own.
But here's the thing, you don't have to manage it all on your own. Our source material for today looks at one potential solution for navigating this whole process, a service called Scriptorium Lab.
Scriptorium Lab actually specializes in CV and personal brand writing. Their whole focus is on crafting the documents and the online presence you need to, well, cut through the noise and get noticed by the right people. So, how do they actually do it? Let's take a look at their core services, because they're designed to build a complete professional package for you. They basically offer a 3-part toolkit: an achievement-focused CV, a cover letter that's tailored specifically for the job, and an optimized LinkedIn profile. Each piece is designed to build on the others, creating one comprehensive professional brand. First up is the CV. I mean, that's your primary marketing document, right? It's often the very first thing a potential employer sees, and Scriptorium Lab aims to make that impression powerful and effective, especially when it's going up against those automated screeners. And this is where you can see a direct link between the features and the benefits to you. An ATS-optimized format, well, that means you actually get past the digital gatekeepers. A clean layout, that's crucial for the 6 seconds a human might spend looking at it. And this one is huge, measurable impact points. Things like increased sales by 15%. That's what clearly shows a hiring manager the value you bring. Next, the cover letter. Think of it this way. If the CV is the what, the cover letter is the why. It's your chance to connect the dots, show a little personality, and tell the unique story of why you are the absolute perfect fit for this specific role. This really shows the difference between a generic cover letter and a tailored one. Making it role-specific proves you've done your homework, and having a clear narrative connects your skills directly to their needs, which just makes the hiring manager's job a whole lot easier. And finally, we've got the LinkedIn profile. This is your digital handshake. And the cool part is, it's working for you around the clock. Unlike a CV you have to send out, your LinkedIn profile is being constantly searched by recruiters who are looking for talent. So the real key here is optimization. A strong, keyword-rich headline and summary means you'll show up in more recruiter searches. It's like digital real estate, and when you use it correctly, you can turn your profile from just a passive resume into an active tool that brings opportunities directly to you. So when you put all these pieces together, the CV, the cover letter, and the LinkedIn profile, you're moving way beyond just having application documents. You are building a consistent, powerful professional brand. There's a quote from their material that just sums it up perfectly. The goal isn't just a document, it's the interview. And a strong, cohesive brand is what gets you there. So what's the final result here? A cohesive story across all platforms, tools built to get past the bots and impress the humans, and the confidence that comes with having a strong personal brand that's out there working for you. After looking at all the challenges and this proposed solution, the final step presented in the source material is to actually take action, and it's framed as an investment in your own professional future. So for anyone who's interested, the source material points you right to this URL, scriptoriumlab.com/services-3. And that leaves us with one final question. After seeing how all these pieces fit together, from beating the bots to building a brand, what steps are you ready to take to invest in your career? Thanks for watching.